For my club, I'm thinking of selling 2x2s and 4x4s. I was thinking of selling the Yupo and the Guansu,
Okay.
so I can make some more money, so I can buy more cubes.
Ugh, 3-move cross. Watch this. Um, PLL skip. 13! What the hell?
Is that your PB
That's my PB.
on cam?
PB on cam. PB while live streaming. I'm pretty sure no one else is watching, but PB on cam.
Oh my god!
Yes! Yes! Okay, I'm just gonna go back through that. I'm gonna go back to that solve. I had a 3-move cross, and a PLL skip.
Oh my god!
It was the OLL was a completely lefty OLL though, but still, that is insane. Um, okay, it's a freaking 13.
That's so cool.
And yes, I am recording this to my computer as well, so I can. Yay.